Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems involving limits at a point can be solved quickly by checking the behavior of the function from both sides to identify the specific discontinuity. First, evaluate the limit as x approaches 2 from the left using the first piece of the function. Plugging in 2 gives 5 divided by 5, which equals exactly 1. Next, evaluate the limit from the right using the second piece of the function. Since x squared is continuous, we simply plug in 2 to get 4. You got this! Finally, compare the two results. Because 1 does not equal 4, the function has a jump discontinuity at x equals 2. That makes option C our final correct answer. Great work! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sophie. Don't assume an asymptote exists. Always check both sides and compare the limits to succeed.